All right, Adobe Illustrators, we are on lesson 3, and today is all about manipulating those lines on your screen that you're creating with the blob paintbrush. So let's say, for example, you grab the blob paintbrush, which is hidden underneath the regular paintbrush, and you have changed, let's see here, you've changed the size to what you want. You've changed it to be pressure sensitive because you're using a tablet. Make sure your variation is all the way up. Okay, so you've done that. That's all review. Now, let's choose a color. So we're going to choose the line here, and let's choose like a nice aqua color. Okay, so let's say I'm going to draw my flower. Very, very rough sketch of a flower. Okay, so now let's say you want to change some of these lines that you created. Maybe you have some detail out here. So this is great. So this is your select tool. So I can select one of these at a time. I can move this around. Okay, that's with the black direct selection tool. Now this one is the direct selection tool. This is the selection tool. This is the direct selection tool. Okay, so I'm going to select that, and now the great thing when I'm direct selecting it is I can grab these anchors here, and when I do tap on it, it is going to give me these handles here that I can pull out and change the shape of my line. Okay, now I want you to think about these handles is sort of like a magnet, and as I pull the magnet out, it pulls that line shape out. So the farther I pull it, the farther it's going to pull that shape out there. And I can manipulate these around. So that's pretty fun to be able to do. Look at all of these handles here. They're just waiting for me to adjust them. Let's see if I can take a look in here and move some of these around and smooth that out. Whoa, it's going a little crazy. Sometimes we have happy accidents when we're moving around these handles. So today the lesson is all about this direct selection tool. Okay, so as I use this blob brush tool and create lines, maybe I want to change the color and the size. Now I'm reviewing things in this lesson here. Change the color. Now I want to change the size, so I'm going to go over here to my paint can. Let's see what this one would do. If I grab that charcoal, make sure that I am pressure sensitive, change the thickness,